All right. So, hi everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone is good. So, this is a specific video for those aspirants who have cleared their phase 1 of CB and who are going to appear for this phase 2 of CB exam as well. Now, we are here with few topics for your examination perspective that is specifically associated with essay writing here, right? Because when I talk about the essay writing, that is actually because English is one of the parts of it, right? If you ask me from the perspective of phase 1 and phase 2, English is one of the most important part there, right? And of course, precis writing, comprehension, essay is also part of it. But the most important and the most tough task that is specifically in front of people is specifically essay writing itself, right? Essay topics itself and essay writing also, how to write essays, what sort of topics we should decide for this particular year. Now these are not the topics which are actually made all of a sudden like thinking only, but these are the topics which we people have analyzed after analyzing previous year questions and after like making educated guesses also, that what are the probability of the like what I'm trying to focus is just try to focus on the topics itself, right? आप बिल्कुल भी ऐसे पूरे ऐसे के ऊपर ध्यान मत देना, हो सकता है रिलेटेड ऐसे या फिर मतलब जो हम वर्ड टू वर्ड वहां पे लिखेंगे हो सकता है दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ ऐसे कैन नॉट बी आस्क्ड इन द पेपर. द मेन फोकस शुड बी ऑन द टॉपिक्स इटसेल्फ कि किस किस टॉपिक्स में से जो क्वेश्चन है वो पूछा जा सकता है. दैट इज व्हाट इज द मेन टॉपिक हियर. along with that I'll tell you how to write essay also, how to structure your essay as well. So that is what is the focus of this particular video, and we will be covering all of these topics. In general we will tell you that from which particular portion questions are actually going to be asked. नाउ सिंस इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट सेबी, तो सेबी रिलेटेड जो है वो तो सबसे पहले मेन पॉइंटर बन जाता है, ठीक है. उसके साथ साथ कौन कौन से एसेज इंपॉर्टेंट है, कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स इंपॉर्टेंट है, दैट इज व्हाट इज द फोकस ऑफ द वीडियो हियर. बिफोर आई मूव अहेड, दिस इज द लिंक ऑफ माय टेलीग्राम channel which is Economy with Payal. So if you people want, you can join it. I keep on sharing articles here, I keep on sharing editorials and important news. Along with that I keep on sharing timings of my lectures as well. All right, so you people already know that when I specifically talk about paper 2 here, that actually plays a huge important role, right? Now when I talk about this paper 2 part, so it is divided into precis writing, essays as well as comprehension also, right? If you ask me from the perspective of precis here, so you get it of 30 marks, right? आपको जो प्रेसी है वो 30 मार्क्स की है. उसी के साथ साथ अगर मैं एसे की बात करूं, दैट इज आल्सो ऑफ 30 मार्क्स, एंड स्पेसिफिकली कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस आर ऑफ 40 मार्क्स है, राइट? कॉम्प्रिहेंशंस are specifically of 40 marker here. But the most tough task here, if you try to consider, because there will be sort of help provided to you for precis writing also, there will be sort of help provided to you for comprehension writing also, but सबसे ज्यादा difficult task क्या है? essay writing का, ठीक है. तो क्योंकि essay writing में आपको कैसे अपने आंसर को structure करना है, that actually plays a huge important role, and that actually decides your marks as well. So that is what is the significance of essay writing here, right? essay writing हमें ये भी याद रखना पड़ेगा कि हमें कोई भी स्कूल लेवल का essay writing नहीं लिखना है. we're actually writing it for competitive examination, so we need to structure in that way only. Next important task that is always in front of the aspirants is specifically timing, right? Within 60 minutes you need to target it, and that is another task in front of the aspirants here. So for that, what is required? Very clearly telling you, practice is something which is required here. Practice is something which is required here. Now you need to practice it on a regular basis, right? रेगुलर बेसिस पे आप जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करोगे उतना ज्यादा आप अपने टाइम को एनालाइज कर पाओगे, उतना ज्यादा आप अपने टाइम को भी मैनेज कर पाओगे. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई विल क्लियरली से हियर, राइट? Alright, now coming on to something which is demand of the examination, and what is the demand of the essay as well. Like what is the demand of the examiner from all of you? What is the demand of the examiner from all of you while that particular individual is checking papers, if while that particular individual is going through the essay here? सबसे पहले you need to mention this thing, and you need to remember this thing. Whenever you're writing essay, it should not be like specifically emotionful, right? ये इमोशन से तो बिल्कुल नहीं होना चाहिए, ठीक है. आप ऑल ऑफ अ सडन जो है वो कुछ नहीं लिख सकते हो. आप ऐसा नहीं हो सकते हो कि यू आर गोइंग एंड यू आर गोइंग थ्रू द वेव्स इन दैट पर्टिकुलर लाइक हॉल and you are actually writing those going waves in the examination also. That should not happen, okay? हमें जब भी हमें एक आंसर लिखना है, दैट शुड बी वेरी बैलेंस्ड आंसर, वन थिंग, राइट, दैट शुड बी डेटा ओरिएंटेड, that should be data oriented, because remember why they've given you task of essay writing here. What is the need of that essay writing also? Because you people are going to become part of such big organization tomorrow. They want to see that what sort of thinking you are having, right? They want to see that how do you structure things out. So specifically जैसे कोई भी ESI related topic है ना, जैसे समझ लीजिए कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ बजट है, राइट, बजट का जो है मतलब आपको हो सकता है कि बजट रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन है वो पूछा जाए. So they do not want to ask you, right? If for example you were expecting that something related to maybe like like bravo kind of thing, or maybe full of celebration kind of thing will be specifically given in the budget for middle class individuals per se, right? So you can't actually mention this thing out कि I didn't celebrate it as Diwali, I didn't celebrate it as much because there was no sudden, or I would say that there was no celebration worth kind of thing specifically for the middle class individuals here. Yes, there is something which is associated with income tax sort of thing, but अभी जो है मेरे को all of जितनी मेरे को खुशी होनी चाहिए थी मेरे को हुई नहीं, तो आप ये सारी चीजें जो है बजट में मेंशन नहीं कर सकते हो. What they demand from you is proper analysis of it, right? Because you people will become policy makers tomorrow. So आपको बहुत ज्यादा बैलेंस्ड आंसर लिखना होगा, ठीक है, अपनी पूरी होशो हवास में आपको लिखना होगा. उसके साथ साथ आपको सिर्फ डेटा के बेसिस पे बात करनी होगी, आप इमोशन के बेसिस पे बिल्कुल भी बात नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. ये कोई स्कूल का ऐसे नहीं है, ये कोई यूनिवर्सिटी का ऐसे नहीं है. दिस इज स्पेसिफिकली ऐसे दैट यू पीपल आर राइटिंग एंड यू सिटिंग इन अ कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन. यू नीड टू वैल्यू दैट. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग दैट यू नीड टू remember, always try to catch that what has been asked in the paper, right? Just try to catch what has been asked in the paper. So if they're asking you, right, if they're asking you specifically that what has been there, and like budget is specifically long term growth oriented, right? क्योंकि all of a sudden तो हमें कोई चीज देखने को नहीं मिली है ना. हमने जितने भी plans करे हैं, that is specifically we are going to achieve by 2030, by 2047. So this is very long term objective budget that we have seen, right? So you can't argue on this specifically कि हमें if they've asked you about one specific topic for say, right, if they've asked you about one specific topic for say, okay, let's change the topic. If they ask you one very simple question, if they ask you that why women participation is more in rural areas as per the latest periodic labor force survey here, right, according to the latest periodic labor force survey, why there is more participation of women and that too specifically in rural areas, right? अब यहाँ पे आपको मेंशन क्या करना होगा, सबसे पहले तो आपको PLFS का डेटा मेंशन करना होगा, है ना. आप यहाँ पे इमोशंस नहीं लिख सकते कि आपको क्यों लगता है कि जो रूरल वुमेन है वो क्यों ज्यादा काम कर रही है ना, क्या उसके ऊपर कोई बर्डन है. आप ये सारी चीजें बिल्कुल नहीं लिख सकते हो. यू नीड टू बी वेरी डेटा ओरिएंटेड. along with that, if you're writing data, always remember you're writing source of the data as well, right? All of a sudden, like for example, if you're confused between maybe 10% and maybe 15%, right, you're confused between that, so better is the case not to write data there. क्यों? क्योंकि प्रॉपर सोर्स पता होना चाहिए और प्रॉपर डेटा जो है वो पता होना चाहिए. इट शुड बी वेरी प्रिसाइज इन नेचर because of course they're going to cross check it, right, and they better know than you. So this is something which you people need to remember here. उसके साथ साथ डेटा वेयर एक इंडिविजुअल चाहिए, इशू बेस्ड एंड सोल्यूशन ओरिएंटेड जो है वो होना चाहिए. You need to tell them that what has been the quality of job that they are enrolled in, how they can be improved in other aspects also, right? Okay, so we are clear with this thing that it should not be full with emotions here. It should be balanced answer. It should be data oriented answer. Okay, now as in when you start writing, always start with a clear introduction about that particular topic. Okay, always write with particular introduction there. For example, if I talk about budget, right, if they've actually mentioned that budget word, so we can start with this thing that budget is not the word which is anywhere written in the constitution. Of course, we are having something which is known as annual statement. Okay, so you can tell that with which article it is associated with it, and maybe other parts as well, right? You can tell them that how it is going to tell me the revenue, like how it is going to tell me that what we are expecting, what expenditure that we are doing in the coming financial year. You can tell everything in that only. It should be very balanced approach, right? You need to tell that okay, these are the areas which have been missed out in the budget this year, बट दीज आर द एरियाज विच हैव बीन फिल्ड, लाइक दीज आर द एरियाज जहां पे ज्यादा फोकस जो है उस बार गवर्नमेंट ने करा है और उससे क्या क्या रिजल्ट्स भी आएंगे। पॉलिसी लिंकेज आपको करना पड़ेगा प्रॉपरली, प्रैक्टिकल सॉल्यूशंस देने पड़ेंगे कि फॉर एग्जांपल if we are not at all doing better in a rare earth minerals per se, we are more dependent on the other nations for bringing availability of that, but government is coming up with a lot of initiatives, specifically when I talk about rare earth permanent magnet scheme, right? So we are having this particular initiative taken जिससे हमें जो है वो solution मिलेगा, and crisp solution, क्रिस्प जो हमारा जो कंक्लूजन है वो होना चाहिए, राइट? आवर कंक्लूजन शुड आल्सो बी वेरी वेरी क्रिस्प हियर. This is something which you people need to remember, and these are the things which you need to remember and which you need to focus here as well, right? उसके साथ साथ these should be the features of this particular, these should be the features of your like of your essay writing. सबसे पहले तो आपकी presentation जो है वो बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए ना. Presentation doesn't mean that they want you to become PhD holder in English here. No, they do not want that, right? आपकी इंग्लिश जो है वो एकदम डिसेंट होनी चाहिए, ठीक है, बट प्रेजेंटेशन बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. मतलब अगर आप कोई भी डेटा लिख रहे हो तो अगर आप उसका सोर्स लिखते हो, राइट, दैट वुड बी बेटर केस, राइट? अलोंग विद दैट just try to ensure that you are doing very very less grammatical mistakes, right? So you should not go with the grammatical mistakes here, that actually gives bad impact. Okay, so grammatical mistakes should be avoided here. Along with that, spelling mistakes should be avoided, right? Spelling mistakes should also be avoided here. That is also something which is required, because basics पे अगर हम ध्यान देंगे तभी तो हम बाकी चीजों के ऊपर ध्यान दे सकते हैं, जैसे डेटा हो गया जो कि कॉम्प्लेक्स पार्ट है, ठीक है. उसके साथ साथ when you're writing answer, so do not just write your answer as if it is going in the like waves of emotions, right? Do not write in such a way that it is actually going through the waves of the emotions. This is not something which is required. You need to check that आपने स्टार्ट कहां से करा है, ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद आप क्या पॉजिटिव इंपैक्ट बता रहे हो, क्या फीचर्स बता रहे हो, एज इन व्हेन यू कंप्लीट फीचर्स देन कम्स ऑन टू द पॉजिटिव इंपैक्ट, देन कम्स ऑन टू व्हाट वेयर आर वी लैकिंग हियर, एंड देन क्रिस्प सॉल्यूशन, राइट? You need to take care of the word limit as well. That is also something which is very very important, क्योंकि आई हियर अ लॉट मेनी टाइम्स फ्रॉम स्टूडेंट्स कि मैम हमें आता था बट हम वर्ड लिमिट जो है वो कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाए, हमने उसको क्रॉस कर दिया, हम उतना जो है मतलब हम नहीं जो है मतलब वी वर एक्चुअली नॉट एबल टू लाइक वी रीच्ड आउट टू द वर्ड लिमिट हियर, बट वी वांटेड टू लाइक व्हाट दे हैव आस्क्ड इन द पेपर, वी वर नॉट एबल टू राइट दैट आउट, राइट? बिकॉज क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि आपके पास लैक ऑफ प्रैक्टिस है, आप वेव्स ऑफ इमोशंस में ही जो है वो प्रॉपर जो है आप आंसर राइटिंग कर रहे थे. दैट इज नॉट समथिंग व्हिच इज रिक्वायर्ड हियर. व्हाटएवर फैक्ट्स यू पुट देयर, दैट शुड बी वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्ट्स दैट यू आर पुटिंग देयर, राइट? डेटा जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से आपको लिखना है, स्टैटिस्टिक्स में ही आपको ज्यादा फोकस करना पड़ेगा. उसके साथ साथ आई गिव यू वन इनिशिएटिव, लाइक आई गिव यू वन एग्जांपल ऑफ रेयर अर्थ परमानेंट मैग्नेट्स. सो फॉर एग्जांपल यू गेट क्वेश्चन एसोसिएटेड विद दैट, यू नीड टू मेंशन इट आउट, राइट? अलोंग विद दैट यू नीड टू राइट रेलेवेंट एग्जांपल्स आल्सो. इफ यू आर राइटिंग इट ना, ऑफ कोर्स योर particular essay will be considered as excellent essay, and your particular essay will be considered as very decent essay also. Remember, they do not want you to do PhD in this particular English, right? All right, so these are the chances and these are the topics. Again telling you, आप किसके ऊपर फोकस करेंगे? टॉपिक्स के ऊपर you need to focus on. You need not to focus on what is being written here, right? It means that you're not at all going to get direct question on the role of SEBI in protecting retail investors only, but role of investor, like role of SEBI in itself is very important. Role of SEBI in various of the aspects here. अच्छा, उसके साथ साथ रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स क्या रोल प्ले करते हैं वो भी बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो लाइक इन जनरल थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू कंसीडर हियर. ओके, along with that, next topic says कि how SEBI can deepen corporate governance standards in general. Now there is a role of SEBI here, so that becomes one topic, and there is a separate topic here which is corporate governance standards. तो ये क्या बन गया? मेरा separate topic बन गया. So what I'm trying to emphasize here is you people to specifically focus on the topics itself. So main target है वो है topics कि मेन क्लू क्या मैं आपको देना चाहती हूँ, ठीक है? उसके साथ साथ इम्पैक्ट ऑफ राइजिंग रिटेल पार्टिसिपेशन इन द इंडियन कैपिटल मार्केट्स इज आल्सो द focus here, right? Now you can also mention that what has been present in the recent budget associated with the markets, so you can mention that as well. But topic को ध्यान पे रखिए, इंडियन कैपिटल मार्केट के रिलेटेड जो क्वेश्चन है वो पूछे जा सकते हैं. उसके साथ साथ financial markets में, like when I talk about ensuring data privacy in financial market, this is one of the problematic situation here. I need to protect it out. Now for that, what are the initiatives taken by the government of India, how we are protecting it and what we are doing also becomes very important part of it. Now ESG, and I'm talking about the environment, social as well as governance also, investing and sustainable finance. What is the role of SEBI here? So role of SEBI in it is a separate part. देखो जो SEBI का रोल है वो अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स में है. तो आपके पास ये दो टॉपिक्स हो गए. सबसे पहले तो you need to mention that how SEBI is actually performing as a, or how actually SEBI is helping in a lot many ways, right? How and what is the role of the SEBI in many of the areas है. सबसे पहले तो वो बहुत ज्यादा important है. Role of SEBI तो आपको जरूर करके जाना है, ठीक है. उसके साथ साथ these are the expected topics here. For example, I told you about ESG, investing in sustainable finance. This is something which is required. Protecting retail investors is also something which is required here. Along with that, ESG compliance from corporate obligation to business opportunity, how I can turn it out into this, right? So ESG in itself becomes a topic here. You need to cover it out, right? उसके साथ साथ addressing market manipulation, insider trading challenges. What are the initiative which is being taken by SEBI to curb it out, right? Why it is a problematic situation? So you start with very decent introduction about it. You start with the bad impact about it. You come up with the initiative that is being taken by SEBI. You just mention about the balanced approach and then very crisp solution about it. Again, role of SEBI in fostering fintech innovation. So you just mention this thing that you never forget to go through SEBI's role in various of the aspects here. Balancing investor protection market growth is also part of it. So that is also something which is very required. Demat account search, opportunities and risks in the Indian equity market. Along with that, you can mention about these things that although we are having account search here, but every individual who's making Demat accounts, who's very active in the market, do they have knowledge about it or not, right? Why they're actually coming into it, right? So you need to mention each and everything here. So Indian equity market के related जो है वो question पूछे जा सकते हैं. Next is about ASI portion, banking and financial inclusions as well. Now let's understand what is very hot topic specifically in the economic, associated with the economy here. So remember, digital payment in the future of Indian economy is the hot topic here. Even if you try to consider any of the international meeting taken place, so that they discuss about it, right? They discuss about the topics like digital payments. They discuss about the opportunities and future of the Indian economy also. So this is need of the hour, right? तो ये जो है वो मेंशन करना बहुत जरूरी है. इसके साथ साथ बहुत सारे इनिशिएटिव्स जो है वो मेंशन कर सकते हो, दैट इज बीइंग टेकन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया टू फैसिलिटेट इट. Financial inclusion, the most and the most important part. How government with the use of various of the initiatives like Jan Dhan Yojana, right, through direct benefit transfer and through other initiatives also, how it is actually able to reach out to people, how it is actually able to ensure financial inclusion. So you write data, you write decent introduction about it, you write data, right, you come up with a lot of initiatives taken by the taken by the government of India, how it is going to help India to become Viksit Bharat, right, to become Viksit Bharat, and how it is going to help India to grow as well. So these are the several topics which are very, very important. Third topic says how banks can support social health care and education expenditure. इसके साथ साथ just mention that in the budget 26-27, what is the percentage of GDP allocation in budget, like in healthcare as well as education also. So that is also something which is very required. Along with that, you can come up with the schemes as well. What are the initiatives taken by the government of India to give boost to healthcare as well as education also, right? उसके साथ साथ impact of inflation on small investors, the main topic here, but you need to link it very correctly. The role of NBFCs in credit to SMEs here, again telling you MSMEs are also part of it, so that can also be the topic here, right? Related question can be asked in the paper. But what is the role of NBFCs in providing credit to SMEs here? That is very, very important, small medium enterprises here, right? All right, so that is something which is the requirement of it. Union budget, market, capital market implications is also the part of it. What has been the mention there? Privatization of public sector banks. What are the pros as well as what are the cons of it, right? Very important topic here. You need to mention the role of privatization along with the data itself. जो हमने privatization पहले करी है, उनका result क्या था, right? And what we are expecting in the coming future. What is the GST's impact on the Indian financial market? Along with that, you need to mention recent data also, right? You need to mention that the impact and that too specifically on the Indian financial market है. तो उस particular data को, what has been asked in the paper, just try to go with that only. CBDC, future, right? You people already know about it. Like when I talk about the BRICS meeting, like recently BRICS meeting took place, they are planning for their own CBDCs here. That is also very important. They are planning on their own digital currency. That is also very important here. And they are planning their digital currency to be like, they are planning to use their digital currencies to settle trade, right? To facilitate the business also. So how it will be able to transform the Indian finance is also something which is very important. In a similar manner, you can take into consideration many examples of various of the countries also, how they've used it and how they are actually using these, like how they're using their CBDC. तो आप उसको example की तरीके से भी set कर सकते हो, और वो जो particular example आप set करोगे, how like what India need to learn from that is also something which you can mention there. Financialization of household saving in India is also one of the important topics here. Next, related to social issues. Dekho, in a repetitive manner, they've asked you a question related to mental health awareness also. That is also something which is very important here. AI is futuristic in nature. How we can even forget about AI here. The work-life balance in the age of AI and automation is very, very important to remember. हो सकता है कि आपको ESI portion में भी AI related to various of the sectors can be asked. For example, education, healthcare, right? For example, financial market, maybe banking. It can be asked in the paper. And in general, AI, how AI is facilitating human development can also be asked in the paper, right? Can also be asked in the paper. तो ये सारे जो aspects है, ये सारे जो topics है, they are very, very important. You remember that fake news and financial misinformation is very, is a hot topic here. Now, how you need to mention it. Recently, one report was actually released, which is World Risk Report, right? Risk Report. अब यहाँ पे जो data दिया गया था, that was specifically on the basis of short-term basis and long-term basis, right? Now, in the perspective, like in both of the aspects here, short-term basis and long-term basis, misinformation and disinformation has been the risk here, right? Which India and the world will be facing by 2030, in the coming 2 years, and in the coming 10 years also. So you can mention this data out, right? You can mention about this particular report as well, that as per this particular report, misinformation, disinformation is one threat that is to India and that is to global world also. What is the impact of online education on learning outcomes? Very important. Okay, you need to give a very, very balanced answer of it. Along with that, you need to mention one answer on gender equality in financial literacy as well as investment also. You can ensure, if you get a data from anywhere, you can just ensure that you write the participation rate as well, right? You write the participation rate as well. You can use PLFS data also, periodic labor force survey as well. Organizational values and culture, the invisible drivers of employee performance as well as competitive advantage is also part of it. So these are the topics which are very important. Now associated with like innovation as well as future trends. So you people already know about it. AI is the future here. So I told you AI related question can be asked in association with any of the sector here, be it banking, financial services, be it market access also, be it human development, education, healthcare in general. It can be asked in number of ways. Human and artificial intelligence complementarity in modern workspace here, how they can align with each other. So that is also something which was very important. Again, why artificial intelligence is important, because recently, as in February itself, India AI like summit is going to take place, right? AI summit is actually going to take place, where a lot many leaders will be participating in it. This is first Global South meeting that is going to take place here, right? So that is also something which is very important. Blockchain's potential, that is beyond cryptocurrencies, is also part of it, right? So related question can also be asked in the paper here. So specifically blockchain related aspects can also be the part of the syllabus itself, can also be the part of the essay writing itself. Now India's journey towards being the developed economy and India's journey towards 5 trillion digital economy can also be asked in the paper. They can ask you, if India wants to become Viksit Bharat, so what are the things that we have designed, right? So they are actually asking you about the design itself. So India's journey towards 5 trillion global economy can also be part of it, right? It can be global economy as well, can also be part of it, right? So these are the many topics which can be asked in the paper. Now let's discuss that what can be the sources here, right? What can be the sources here? First of all, you need to remember that you go through SEBI website and that too very thoroughly, right? SEBI का role, SEBI का information बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. उसके साथ साथ, if you want to get the data there, you need to follow newspapers and that too on a regular basis. You need to follow newspapers and that too on a regular basis. You can go for Indian Express also, right? You can go for Live Mint also. Live Mint is also important if you want to see the financial aspect, because Indian Express is actually very important for ESI portion, right? In a similar manner, Live Mint also gives you very holistic coverage of it. Business Standard, business standard can be followed if you want to go through like financial market information here. Economic Times is also very important. Economic Times is also very important here. Related question can be asked in the paper, like information will be used in the paper as well if you know. And if you go through any for specific magazine also, you can go through it. And this is specific, for example, you're using Yojana Kurukshetra for say, so it can be used in ASI portion. If you're using, and if you're going through, if you read any financial market associated magazine, that can also be helpful here, right? उसके साथ साथ PIB for general news, right? PIB for general news is very, very important. Along with that, you need to go through every report which is released, right? Every index which is released, right? Every data which is released on a monthly basis, quarterly basis, that is very, very important, right? On a monthly basis, maybe quarterly basis, on a yearly basis also, that is very, very important here. And again telling you, firstly, like checking SEBI website every time is also very important. So these are the sources which you people can use to structure your answer. At last, practice is the key to success. Although it's a very old thought, but this is like old but gold sort of thought here, right? प्रैक्टिस के साथ ही क्या होगा, आप अपनी स्पीड को भी मैनेज कर पाओगे, ठीक है, आप अपनी एक्यूरेसी को भी मैनेज कर पाओगे, आप अपने आंसर को स्ट्रक्चर भी कर पाओगे, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू राइट वेरी ब्यूटीफुल आंसर इन दैट टू विद इन अ like word limit one, and that too within a specific period of time as well. So you will be able to manage time and word limit if you are practicing it only, right? So these are the last minute tips. I told you that you need to frame the context here. Current data, forward looking solution should be there. You always need to write balanced answer. So just try to stick with the word limit here and the structured answer with proper intro, body, and of course very crisp solution as well. And this is the final thought on it. I have given you multiple topics here, and these are the questions, these are the related topics which can be asked in the paper. Again telling you, मेरा जो मेन मोटिव था वो ऐसे आपको प्रॉपरली देना नहीं था, मेरा मेन मोटिव था आपको टॉपिक्स देना, सो दैट यू गेट टू नो, राइट? ऑलराइट, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर सेशन. आई होप इट हैज बीन वेरी, वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर ऑल ऑफ you. Having any doubt, you can mention that in the comment section. We'll be addressing it up. Thank you so much. Take care.